And now you too nkofo before say on betimi win game bi a just so make sure so betimi rule out Abrante fe Danny Kawayal any Abrante fe no Kamavinga
okay
ana me ka se Kukurea any Abrante fe no Reece James any be play key role and now who baby ana Reece James any Abrante a ye fe no Kukurea agina no Chelsea clearest chance of munya in the game no we ngolo Kante de ni fi ani po nya ya Kukurea
okay.
And I heard Reece James so Chelsea chances of creating money now was passed through Abrante Fenny Reece James. Then more or less you saw how Kawaya was important to this particular setup in making sure so bit more attacking the spaces. MIA to my friend Real Madrid in the victory was almost 18 years. It was always going to come and I felt say that was the result that was needed by a team of Real Madrid in order to progress to the next round of the UEFA Champions League. Then another crucial encounter about so I'm pay close attention to. Between AC Milan and team of Napoli. First leg ended 1-0 in favor of a team your friend AC Milan. Obekaya mekasa about the shape of a team of AC Milan whenever they are defending. And I mekasa about how Napoli are too cautious in making sure so more two and a double pivot no and also moment for this no and surge forward a lot. Said the AC Milan beat the first press now. Ekwati so much here enkofa asefufuro bi amfanye den enfamba ebisi Emma Brante fen Ibrahim Diaz etimi bon no moden eko create that chance my Brante fen Ismail Banase at the ball to net move in the first leg. Now in the defensive shape of AC Milan made it very difficult for team SSC Napoli to make sure somebody may create a lot of chances through the middle of their pack and through one of their most the best player within the setup in Kvaratskhelia so no beti may create chances eyo mu hia na no na Luta you heard the dia obere team friend AC Milan with how I know mu shape city anytime team friend on Napoli be sha ase a build from the back and then we have Brante friend Ramani Nanaebo as the right center back. Edme team a friend of Napoli, then you have Jesus at the back line for team friend Napoli playing as a left center back. It is home shape no. 4 ni 2 na near can 17 near crew ne chinia Brante friend Tonelli. 3 near Ismail Banase, Ibrahim Diaz, and Rafael Leao. And 1 near Olivier Giroud wa ha. It is anytime be na team a friend more Napoli bet me asha say be ready to move your shape no. Omo make sure somebody be crowded baby and Napoli will love to create a chance for him because omo himself so ha no. Press and tiny especially through Di Lorenzo and Politano. Baby and Napoli are very, very deadly. Abrabo and Baby Abrante Feno Kvaratskhelia and Sim. It is Napoli share attack Nasia Baby a shape ni na beba. No more Abrante Feno Tonelli. Edinama Di Lorenzo. Diaka phone na attention. Ebe wo down ha. It is now obi beka se Kvaratskhelia who game no so. Ana Kvaratskhelia who game no so. Ana obofa the shape of AC Milan in making sure some back was very important in that particular aspect. One key aspect. Number 2 key aspect me I can want them in case of how a team a friend or SSC Napoli and team making sure some many results. The build up of a team a friend or AC Milan in terms of beating the press. Share first leg. Near how we beat the press. It me the ball no net. In this particular game, Nankasana Shederi Ibrahim Diaz. They pick up the ball in the middle of the park. Oyi Anguissa, Oyi Lobotka, Oyi Mario Reed. 3 solid players no you mufim. 3 solid players and no you mufim. Ade AC Milan munyina say will beat the midfield press of Napoli. Ade AC Milan here no. So beat the midfield press of a team of Napoli. I said
the same thing they see in Rano.
The same thing. That is why me first go in the chair here for say omonshe hawa omusiti bo mo den ya ade no. And you definitely understand how AC Milan work their way out. Share midfield Anguissa, Lobotka. This particular moment, share 3 players, Anguissa ni, Lobotka ni. Mario Rui no na bem say the be Kvaratskhelia be ma with.
Okay.
Omomi ensano just one touch. Benasen and Amhano, we free. Oma presse, Omunsa and Carbon, and Napoli will how many players now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Akafo. Bonne tra o ma na kwakọ 4v4. Obi afa ba akọ ne enche mo. And that is what they did perfectly. Oma movie ball na wi 4v4. We kwa put asabe katri because he yakokem. Then they get a chance, born than it. The same thing happened with how Rafael Leao making sure so on Subenia results they are team AC Milan. And you look at how effective they've become in making sure so may play through him. I want to the ball career instead of Brahim Diaz no very important. First leg Brahim Diaz the boss number 10. Second leg Brahim Diaz boss a left attacking midfielder. Yes.
That's another tactics
Emma Banase and a Bejina number 10 position. And the importance of Kim Min-jae within the setup, you understand. And then no more Sri Lanka say Rafael Leao. Should you on the beji ball on the 50 just to beat the press or try to beat the press more than one time, but anytime be omunya. And look at the way Napoli 4 players now moving on the side because there is no Kim Min-jae to do with him. It is oppressive one to be when you go now. Come far so far born or make sure Ramani side one no. Pa on Di Lorenzo, he gets in almost creating more than 3 chances from the same place. So apart from beating the press, almost targeting Kim Min-jae area more because we're kind of and the more more resource. It is AC Milan came into the game with a plan. They succeeded with the plan and make sure it's born in Rafael Leao. Chances of make creating now, she maybe or carry ball. And the ball free out making sure so the ball in the bedroom. Watch Di Lorenzo. Kim Min-jae will pace. Or one day, obetime attract her the Ramani ko assist.
First leg, they see a Nebia.
That is how Tima, your friend of AC Milan, has been dealing with Tima, your friend SSC Napoli. Congratulations to them. And Medica Kasa records favor because the final is going to be in Istanbul. Now, quickly, we move on to a game near
for 4 minutes.
Yes. Bayern Munich and Manchester City. The first leg na ade etimi ma City winning game no. Pep Guardiola na nkasa na philosophy enyo ma miensa. Possession.
Okay.
Pass and precision. Possession no, they will love to keep the ball a lot. Passing, they will love to get a lot of passes within the game. Then you talk about precision, the accuracy of the pass. What's the Guardiola team so mon times air balls are? On pressure is the 3-piece. And Guardiola tied the year in this particular aspect. But another Pierre Babeka woman is so much crucial from the days from Barcelona. Ababe PM Manchester City. Pressing. Pressing. Now how they press is very important. Only say City with a shape of 6-2-2. And the press City team your friend no Bayern Munich.
First leg no.
And on Mujibona, their quick transitions made it quite easier for them to make sure some better media achieve results in the long run. Now look at this, Luther. Shehawana City are setting up in this particular aspect. Players near say, share there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jaglish can one say 6. 2 Nana me can one say no. 2 no. Kevin De Bruyne, and Bernardo Silva waha. Then Ruben Diaz, and Ellen Haaland waha. So look at how I'm setting up a shape in defending the threat from my team. Bayern Munich. Where your time Grandpa Bayern Munich dominate to a City half. It is not one City is pressing our Bayern Munich half. Where your Bayern Munich no in ball, our City half more. Or making sure so to make creative chances. Look at the defensive shape of Manchester City. So you look at the accuracy of how no City more happen. Good. Then you come to another one and you look at how solid they are in making sure some bit match or Maguso. Way or more press or Bayern Munich half no more 4-4-2.
Okay.
4-4-2 ni die. Yenche mo bi antias ye ni nyina ye hunu. Bayern Munich ewo mu 2 center backs. Ana mu full backs Benjamin Pavard any Abrante Fen Alfonso Davies. Ana the 2 holding midfielders no mo 4-2-3-1 no. Mienu no me drop deep near Joshua Kimmich and Goretzka. Nipa no mo 10. Jamal Musiala. Ono na wo say ba no team beji ball no so to initiate attack.
Okay.
By City pressing with 4-4-2 now. O match obi abako de gu obi aso. Ade omu ye na say we mu mienu omu nyina right footed. Open Kano ni delete na no mienu nyina right footed.
By 2 center backs.
Omu mienu nyina into omu nyina pass be ko say.
Okay.
Bakabako ye left footed center back ah. Obetimi a diverse no adani say no aboni say. But omu nyina right no it were City players no omu nyina ni kire. Omu nyina ni kire suru say. We afọ Open Kano. Kevin De Bruyne afa Matthias De Ligt. Alfonso Davies, Bernardo Silva, Rodri, Goretzka, Gundogan, Kimmich, Grealish, Pavard. Jamal Musiala no da ha no kwanse bo ne tra na enuru ha no na just tozo.
Okay.
Iti omuche bon na so na a quick 1 2 3 pass panyan. Na bon net me run it. So you watch this particular Manchester City team and their shape and how strong they are. Bayern Munich will do my yene.
Sir.
But one thing about Bayern Munich try so Bayern Adrian here say they will go with the solution of making sure say Ombobo through their goalkeeper. Or ya no apeja ball no they come Benjamin over the press of Manchester City. But Adeba ko Momo Bre here say they did it without a proper center forward. Benjamin Pavard ball ni say I was expect say nipa na obo 9 no. Said Gnabry was playing as a false 9 here. But how typical number 9 be to say Lewandowski, Choupo-Moting. All make you run this say you. But now call first space we.
Oh, you're ready for the ball.
It Benjamin Pavard and you say no. Call Danny na anka straight. There was a pass in me day. Eba. It's Choupo-Moting absence key.
How?
So the return leg, they have to make sure say they deal with all of these things. And make sure someone sabit make more resource. But I believe that per the setup of Bayern Munich, per the setup of Man City is strong enough to make sure some bit many resource in the long run because of how Oma set up on team. No, the only thing Bayern Munich can rely on is a miracle. But it is a game as Obekomu and Messi also over 1.5. Bayern Munich will attack a lot. Bayern Munich will have to get the first goal as soon as possible. And City Suben Adrian say obey here one goal at the Abu. Then you look at that particular games. And you look at how you are going to go with it. Over 1.5 and on the bed wow. Then look at a crab in a fancy overlapping CBs.
Otamason.
I'm in see them. Inter Milan
1 minute per fire.
Inter Milan. The power of winning game in our brand way. Baby Ojina. Where they Bastoni bo position bay. Bastoni is center back.
Yeah.
Normally, cowboy three back, also wing backs in the choir crosses.
But center back in Momona.
The key to a team my friend by team friend Inter Milan, who we knew over team friend Benfica was a brand friend Bastoni. Omo ye twice, 3 times, once, a twice so sa. Emo multimedia create a lot of chances, and then they will continue. Bastoni will also be at the heart of affairs and make sure say team your friend Inter Milan will get the results. Inter Milan double chance and at 3.5. In this particular aspect, and Inter Milan is going to qualify in the long run.
May I say, Michael Akomia, the sports messiah.